In front of me is SONY Xperia 1 Mark V, and today I would like to show you how you can open apps in pop-up view. First of all, open one of your apps that you wish to use in this view and access it in the background. In order to do that, with Trick's navigation, click on this square button. Now select pop-up window at the bottom and hit home button. To resize your window, you need to click on it and drag top right or sometimes left corner. As you can see, after that I can use it in pop-up view. If you want to move it around, hold it and drag it. You can also make it bigger by tapping on this button with 2 arrows. To access it in full screen view, select this one next to the arrows with a square. To turn your app into a bubble, you need to select this icon with an arrow and a dot, and then access it by tapping on the bubble. Lastly, to close your window, just tap on this X at the top right or sometimes left corner. If you wish to use your app overlay the other one, just click on the other one and operate in both. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!